What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create your Steam Workshop collection. So you need to head over to your Steam application, and after that here you need to go over to the community sections and then click on Workshop. And after clicking on Workshop, your new Workshop window will open, wherein on the right side here in the search bar, you need to type in your favorite game whose collection you want to see or download. After choosing your game, you need to click on this browse section and then click on collections. So this will show you all the collections of these games, and when you click on it, this will open the collections of that particular game. And come here to the workshop section. If you don't have created any of the workshop, on the right side here you will see the option of create your new workshop. Click on that, and from there you can create your own workshop. But as you can see, I have already created my own workshop, so I can't create another one. And this is how you can create and view all the workshop and workshop collections in Steam. So that was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.